The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report, and we begin with an exclusive business story. The Digicel Group, which has interests in 32 markets and over 14 million customers in the Caribbean, Central America and Asia Pacific, is reporting a net loss of almost $215 million in the 6-month period to September this year. This compares to net profit of $19.7 million last year. Now, Digicel Group's revenue advanced by 11% to almost $1.4 billion within the 6-month period. Documents on the Digicel Group's operating results obtained by the OJR indicate that the precipitous fall in net profit was triggered by 2 main factors: a 42% hike in debt-related finance costs, which jumped to $292 million, as well as an impairment of investments. Finance costs in the September quarter alone jumped by 32% to $167 million due to the group's refinancing of its $1.4 billion notes in September. Now, in respect of the $176 million impairment, the Digicel Group told shareholders in a circular that following an assessment of its investment in Digicel Holdings Central America Limited, it took the decision to impair loans due from the latter to the tune of $176 million. The termination of Digicel Group's expected sale of its El Salvador business to America Mobile also encountered regulatory hurdles. Digicel, which operates in Jamaica, has a policy of not commenting on details of its financial affairs. However, group numbers obtained indicate a 2% increase in 6-month revenues in its Jamaican operations. Such revenue amounted to $240 million within the 6-month period to September 30 this year, making Jamaica its second most lucrative destination, falling only behind the fast-growing Haitian market, which yielded $277 million in revenue within the review period. The Jamaican dollar was weaker today. In other words, the 3 regularly traded foreign currencies strengthened against the Jamaican dollar. The benchmark American dollar gained 6 cents Jamaican as the US dollar peaked at a 2012 high of $91.88 Jamaican. The Canadian dollar jumped by 65 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $92.85. Sterling gained 34 cents Jamaican to close at $147.73. News on the market now, and the falls by key financial stocks, JMMB, NCB and Scotia Group, mainly contributed to declines in the stock market indices today, with the main JC index losing 909 points or 1%. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, LASCO's chairman Lascelles Chin has graciously invited me to the White Marl factory following our factual follow-up business report in September, indicating that the factory had not met its stated April completion date. Thanks, Las. I look forward to that visit and the obligatory interview. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.